Welcome back to episode 7 of the Resell My Way to AK series, where I've been trying to turn $50 into $8,000 in order to pay off my student loans. Here's the current budget that we're at, and let's jump straight into the video. Hey guys, so Emma and I just went to a garage sale. I'm literally in her car right now. Peep her fuzzy steering wheel cover. But yeah, I just pulled out $350 in cash because we just hit the best garage sale of our lives, and I didn't have enough cash. I saw it on the yard sale treasure map, and I was like, Emma, we need to go just to check it out. I only have $20 cash in my wallet, and I'm gonna try and get as much footage as possible. It was super close to Emma's house, and I didn't expect to get footage, so I didn't get the GoPro out. But I'm gonna try and record as much as I can when we go back now. The first thing that caught my eye at the garage sales were actually these New York Giants mini helmets. They were signed by Eli Manning, and they're worth around 50 to 60 bucks on eBay, but unfortunately they wanted 25, so I had to pass. And then they had a ton of different shoes. They were all marked around $20 a piece, but you guys will see which ones I picked up in just a little bit. You guys won't believe what I got. Now you're probably wondering what made this garage sale so special. Well, all the colognes were $5 a piece. The Rolex was fake, unfortunately, but all the clothes, $1 each if they're used, $5 if they're brand new with tags, and you guys will never believe how much I spent on everything. The brands that I got were insane. So over here they have Paw Patrol, they have kart racing, they've got Dance and Learn, but I think the only one that's going to be worth it is this Letter Factory one. I think you should be able to get like $10 to $15 plus shipping. It'd be $2 here. So I actually wanted to hop in here real quick and hopefully I can teach you guys something. So what I did when I originally looked these up is I scanned the back of the DVDs, I scanned the barcodes, and when I looked it up on eBay, they actually were profitable. But if you actually go in and type it in the search and search them manually, they're not worth as much as I thought they were. So I ended up passing on all the Leapfrog games, and I definitely encourage you guys to not just scan stuff like DVDs or games and actually look them up manually. Nike Air. Hey guys, so I was able to find this Rock Band or Guitar Hero guitar, and it's only $4 here. But the thing is there's a weird smell coming out of this thing. It smells so bad. I don't know what happened. Maybe it got wet or something. Untested, they would sell for like $25, $30, but I just don't think it's worth it. This is a pretty cool t-shirt. It's from the FIFA World Cup in 2006 from Germany. It's a size 2XL, but the tag is kind of messed up over here, and I don't think comps are all that great, but still, it's kind of interesting to find this in the wild. So I thought I found an absolute steal because these Adidas look beautiful. They're only $4.99, but then take a look over here, they're completely destroyed. Unfortunate, because at $4.99 this would have been a great price. And then there's these Nikes over here for $6.99, but look at how look at this. They're completely separated. I don't get it. But then I looked out and I found this pair of Birkenstocks, and they are only $3.99. They do have a little bit of wear, but I should be able to get 20 to 25 bucks for this on eBay or Mercari. Hey guys, so it's the next day, but I have some sales to show you guys. I sold the Bose remote that I picked up at the bins for $31, sold the TI-84 from the bins for $40, sold this shirt from the Salvation Army for $12, and then we also had some sales on Amazon. This DVD sold for $50, this one sold for $32, and then this Imagine If game sold for $38. After all of these sales, we're going to be adding $157 back into the fund, and now let's go ahead and go through the garage sale haul. Alright guys, so everything that I just picked up from the garage sale are in these 2 bags right here, so I'm going to go ahead and empty them, and I'm going to show you guys everything that we just got. So at everything that I just bought at the garage sale, I spent $90 on everything, and we're actually going to get rid of the fund for now, and we're going to start a counter, a potential profit counter. So before I actually go ahead and show you guys all the items that I bought to resell, I actually bought some of the items for personal use. So everything is all mixed in for the clothing items, so as I go, I'm going to grab what I'm keeping for myself. But I do have 4 colognes here on the side that I picked up for $5 a piece. First up is Gucci Guilty, and it's like probably 90% full. Also picked up Versace Rose, which was 75% full. This Invictus cologne from Paco Rabanne. These colognes are really expensive, so I've actually really wanted these for myself. They're all around like $80 to $100 each, maybe even more than that, brand new. So to get these barely used for only $5 a piece is honestly an insane steal. And I know that we're a resell channel on here, but I wanted to share with you guys the proper way to put a cologne that I've learned from my experience. So the best way is to put it like on the pulse points. So you're gonna go ahead and put 1 spritz on your wrist, another spritz here on this side of your neck, right here on this side of your neck, and then on your other side of your wrist over here. So basically what that does is it hits the pulse points, which is going to be the warmest spots in your body. So that's my little tip for the day. Use colognes on those spots of the body because it's going to go ahead and last longer and make you guys smell better. I am so happy to have these guys in my collection because I've wanted like an upgrade to my colognes for so long. So you guys can actually make a lot of money selling perfumes and colognes on eBay, but unfortunately you guys can't sell them used anymore. You'd have to sell these on like Mercari, but I know for a fact that if I were to sell these all used, I would probably be able to get like $35 a piece for them. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you guys this. So the reason why I didn't show you guys this directly was because this is actually an off-brand polo. This isn't the actual polo branded one, but it smells just like it. I know exactly what this is supposed to smell like, and even though I spent $5 for like a dupe, I'm really happy about this one. All right guys, so let's go ahead and start off with a heavy hitter. So these Nike Air Max 270s are in a pretty rare colorway, and there weren't that many listed and only a few sold, but I know for a fact that I'll be able to get $100 plus shipping on this. Then I picked up these two Jordan Strapback hats. So they're both actually adjustable, and I think I should be able to get $20 a piece for each of them. So we have one red one and one blue one. Now you guys see this right here, right? It's a North Face jacket. Let me go ahead and actually open it up. Take a look at how beautiful this North Face jacket is. I literally only spent $2 on it. It has like a nice puffer style right over here. It's got two pockets on the sides. Yeah, it does have like a little bit of wear to it, but I still think that I should be able to get around $50 plus shipping on top for this jacket. It's in amazing condition, and for only $2, wow, that's an absolute steal. Next up, we picked up these men's Playboy Joggers size XL for only $1. I think I should be able to get $20 plus shipping for them. So most of the clothing items here are actually only $1. The only items that were more expensive than that were like the North Face jacket that was $2, and some of the stuff that was brand new tags, she actually charged me $5. So moving on, let's go ahead and grab these. So these are really sick. These are Camo Carhartt shorts. They're a size 36, and I think I should be able to turn these into around like $25 to $30 plus shipping. Next up, we have two pairs of joggers from Express. They're both a size medium. They're actually both in my size, and they're literally in like new condition. These are brand new without tags, and I'm actually going to go ahead and keep these for myself. I don't actually like how they fit, or if they don't fit properly, I'll go ahead and resell them, but to be able to get like $50 to $60 joggers for only $1 a piece, I'm definitely going to try and keep them for myself. Then I also picked up this, like, it's not really a jacket. It's kind of like a flannel material, but it has a hood, so it's like a hooded flannel, I guess, or a hooded long sleeve shirt. And this thing is actually brand new tags. I'm sure she charged me $5 for this, but the tag is kind of hidden. So it's actually a size medium. It's my size, and I'm probably going to keep this myself, so she probably charged me $5 for this. It has an original price tag of $50, so if I were to resell this, I might be able to get like half that, maybe $25 at the most, but this thing is sick, and I think I might keep this for myself. It's not too often that I find clothing that I'm actually going to like, especially in good condition at a garage sale for super duper cheap. And then let me know what this is exactly. I might throw a comp on the screen if I can find it, but I know this was like that sad frog meme, and the reason why I picked it up is because of how popular that meme is. And I don't know exactly if this is like Kermit the Frog or what frog this is, but it's an all over hoodie. It's not branded, but I feel like this might still go on like a whatnot auction or something, so I definitely picked it up because I thought it was really cool. Then you guys wouldn't believe how much these two pairs of jeans are worth, so this is definitely a big bolo for you guys to be on the lookout for. So the brand is Cult of Individuality. It says Japanese selvedge denim, and they're both a size 36 by 34. Looking at comps online, they're anywhere between like $60 and $120 pre-owned. If I'm not mistaken, I think these jeans actually retail for around like $300, so definitely a big bolo for you guys to be on the lookout for. But yeah, $1 a piece on these jeans. Imagine being able to turn $1 into at least $60 a piece. Like, you really can't go wrong with that. That's why I was saying this garage sale was just so good. Next up is a similar situation to this hoodie right here. So it's an all over print. It has like a cassette tape. Let me just go ahead and open it up for you guys. So this hoodie actually has a pretty cool cassette tape all over it. It's like an all over print. Once again, this isn't branded as well. It just says extra large men. So I think this might be able to go on like a whatnot auction or something. It's just a really cool piece, and I feel like I couldn't leave it behind for $1. Then we got this Jordan hoodie for $1. I'm thinking probably around $20 to $25 plus shipping. Moving on, we have this Michael Kors jacket. I think I should be able to get around $15 plus shipping for it. And then I picked up a couple of these Nike zip-up long sleeve jackets, and this one is a size extra large from the athletic department. I'm not sure how old this thing is, but I'm thinking I should be able to get around $20 plus shipping on this as well. Keep in mind, everything here are just estimates, and it's just me taking a guess. Nike shorts, probably $10 to $15, maybe 15 because of this lime green colorway. Then we also have these pair of Adidas shorts, which I'll honestly probably keep myself because they're an absolute absolute great condition. And I think they were a size medium. Yeah, they're a size medium. And then I also picked up this white Adidas hoodie. It's also my size. I'm probably gonna keep this as well. All right, my phone's gonna die, so I should probably make this quick. But next up, we picked up this Robert Graham long sleeve dress shirt. So I'm not sure how much this is gonna go for exactly, but I guess I'll throw up a comp on the screen. It's a really nice colorway. It has like a really cool like design on the interior of the collar, but pretty cool. Then I picked up this Nike tank top. I wonder, oh yeah, this is an XL too. I wonder if I'll be able to bundle it with the shorts actually. I might be able to turn that into like $25 altogether. I'm not sure if that's the same colorway, but I'll go ahead and look inside and debate on it later, but at least $10 on the tank. And then I picked up this Guess Camo sweater. So it's a men's extra large. I'm not sure if this is really going to be worth anything. I just picked it up because it's really cool and it has like this felt material, and I really like the camo colorway, and it's got this pretty cool zipper on here. I mean, I'd never wear something like this, but I'm sure someone else would, so I'm not going to throw an estimate on it. Maybe if I find a comp online I will, but pretty cool sweater. Then I picked up these Victoria's Secret slippers. They're actually brand new with the tags. It says 2-piece, but I couldn't find the other piece that was like attached to this. The lady at the garage sale only charged me $2 for these, so I think I should be able to turn them into 20 to 25 bucks. Then moving on, I found this Playboy hoodie. I think this might actually be the matching hoodie to the joggers that I found earlier, so probably let's just say 25 bucks on this hoodie. Then they had this Adidas jacket. It was brand new with the tags. It's kind of like a soccer zip-up jacket. It's also my size. I was debating on keeping this, but because it's brand new with the tags, I'll probably go ahead and actually sell it online. It had an original price tag of $65, and this is what it looks like completely laid out flat. So it's a beautiful jacket, and I really would like to keep it for myself, but because it's brand new, I probably won't, just because I can get decent money for it. Same thing with these blue Adidas shorts. These are actually brand new with the tags as well. So I would like to keep it because it is my size, but with a $50 price tag, I should be able to get at least half of that if I'm going to sell them brand new online. Then moving on, let's try to do this as quick as possible before my phone dies, but found these Adidas Joggers. So they say Reborn on the side. Not sure if they're going to increase the value, but probably around $15. And here's another brand for you guys to be on the lookout for. So there's this brand called Built. I think it's like a bodybuilder, like strength training brand. I think this should be able to go for around like $30 plus shipping online. Keep in mind, I spent $1 on all these clothing pieces, so this is a pretty insane turnaround. I'm really happy to see what the counter is at when I go ahead and edit this video. Oh, and then look at this piece. Let me go ahead and lay it out flat for you guys. I didn't look up most of the items when I was at the garage sale, only like that Built brand and the Cult of Individuality, but this I picked up because I thought it was a concert tee, which it is, and it's really cool, from Tool. And my girlfriend looked it up, and it's around like $30 to $40 plus shipping on it, so pretty nice shirt for just $1. Then we found an Adidas jacket, Adidas sweatpants, probably, I think they're a set. If not, let's just say like $15 a piece. Then I picked up this Nike shirt. It's a size 2XL, which is a pretty good size, but the Nike logo is kind of faded, so I don't know. I'll probably get my money back in a Nike auction if I decide to do that on Whatnot, but I'm not 100% sure. Then we also picked up these, I think they're Adidas. So actually, no, these are Jordan sweatpants. So if you guys didn't know, Jordan sells really, really well for a good amount of money online on eBay or Mercari. So I think I should be able to get like $20 plus shipping on these sweatpants. And then moving on, we have this really cool Nike shirt. It's a size 2XL. I kind of wish this was a medium. I would probably keep this, but it has like the center check on here with a nice like lime green color in the middle. Then we have this Jordan like jacket slash hoodie. It's really cool because you're actually able to put the button in like that and click it together. I'm not going to waste my time doing it right now, but I think I should be able to get like $30 on this. It's a size XL, especially if you find Jordan in like bigger sizes, people tend to spend more money for them, so it's a really nice find. Then I also found these Jordan sweatpants, probably around like 15-20 bucks. So here's another nice bolo for you guys. So the brand is called Psycho Bunny. Once again, pick this up for $1, and these sell pre-owned for around $30 to $40 plus shipping on eBay. Hey guys, so my phone just died, so we're actually going to go ahead and move the footage onto my GoPro right now. So moving on, we have this Nike long sleeve shirt. It's a size extra large, probably going to get like $10 for it. Then we have this nice pair of Adidas sweatpants. We have another pair of Jordan sweatpants. Then we have not one, but two more of these Nike jackets. So we're going to go ahead and just keep the counter going. I'm not going to tell the prices for these every single time. Then we have a pair of these Nike Pros. Then we have, oh, another Nike ThermaFit. I'm sure this is probably going to be worth a little bit more money, maybe around $25 to $30 just because it's ThermaFit. And then we also have this Adidas zip-up jacket. But yeah, this was a pretty insane haul. The reason why this was so good is because I barely spent any money on this haul. So now when I go ahead and edit this in the future, I'm going to go ahead and add up the total potential profit on the screen, and I'm going to go ahead and bring my colognes inside. Hey guys, Future Aris here. So I just wanted to mention that in the beginning of the video, I said that I spent $90 at the garage sale. Only 60 of that was for actual reselling. I'm going to go ahead and add $30 back into the fund because that's going to be coming out of my pocket, and it's not going to be something that I can actually write off for cost of goods at the end of the year. Anyways, let's go back to the end of the video. Anyways, that's gonna be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please toss a like on this video. It really helps us grow a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you guys want to go ahead and watch my journey from the very beginning, I'm gonna go ahead and link the video right here, and you guys can go ahead and learn how to resell for yourselves if you don't know how to do it already, and you can just come along with me for the ride.